therealmerae. I know you miss me because I miss me.
Baby, you should know this. That I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. And I wasn't going.
So today's my thumbnail title. Before I get to be like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is the life of the dishwasher. I'm gonna take y'all with me to take you guys to my shower journey. Y'all know it's not gonna be hard, but it's gonna be hard to do this video. So I might end this video at the end of my shift. I'm not sure what to do, but yeah, see, this is gonna be on Monday, so stay tuned for Monday. This is Saturday, 2 days after, before Monday, so be back. So I'm back, y'all. So I'm going to work in like a couple minutes, and I just want to say hi to y'all before I get starting on the video today. I already did the intro and outro, but this is my fit. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm with my little kid, so we can get this video started and I can show y'all around my school work. And I don't know if I'm gonna bring this tripod, or by the time y'all see this video, it's gonna be Monday, so I don't know. Should I bring this one? Should I bring this one? I'm gonna ask my friend Kayla. So I'll be back with you guys when I'm on my way to work or when I'm at work. So yeah. Bye, y'all. I went to work. Now I am just not clocking in, but you know, I don't like my headphones. Make me so stuffy. I just went to work, and now I'm taking the stairs because y'all cannot hear me. And now I'm taking the stairs because I felt like it. I felt like taking them. No, I would usually do that, but well, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to the break room and set myself up to eat something. So I'll be back.
Days ago, Biggie was laughing at Rolly's legs, and then Rolly said Biggie got chip titties, something like that. It was like, so y'all saying this on the internet, but it takes, y'all got each other number? Now, this is where shit get iffy, okay? So Biggie, she go on live talking about Rolly saying, I don't even be responding to you, you be texting me when you get mad, all this other stuff. She flipped the camera around to show the messages, right?
It's not, she texts my phone. I don't even reply it back to Rolly.
No, what I do is not put that this money.
She gets mad, she texts me. Period. I told them that I was calling you to tell you. I told them that I was calling them to tell you. Why the fuck is Rolly texting my phone at 12 in the afternoon? And she is heated. Why the fuck are you texting my phone, bitch? I said, yo, I gotta call Tasiki because dog.
Y'all gotta get it together. Why? Is y'all settling or y'all still fighting?
Tasiki, no. Tasiki, she texted my phone and sent me a video. Watch what I show you what she said, nigga. You're gonna be like, what? Like, bro, this girl was literally up my motherfucking. Then she tried to make it seem as if though I cared, and because I didn't care for her, she got mad. That's the real tea. So let's clock it. Yeah, we gonna clock that. Right, Teddy? How do you feel about Rolly's walk? Duck walk. Quack, quack, quack. Teddy, stop being messy.
Now, T.A. or Mirror Clock the T, is the same person. He took the screenshot of the video, flipped it around, made it sharper to the best of his ability. And he kind of deciphered what the message said. Now, I don't know how this picture is going to show up on the video. If I was you, I would go to his page because you might see the words better on there. But he think the message says, y'all got to stop texting her thinking she's not going to expose all y'all asses. Every effing thing you said was sent to production. How you think you got on this season? Now, this is a message from Rolly to Biggie, okay? And from what Mary Clock the T said, it matches with what I would think these messages said. But the thing is, I'm pretty sure it's going to be even more blurred in this video because, like, I screenshotted it. But I think you should go to his page and see for yourself, though, still. So, the thing is, who are these text messages about? A lot of people feel like it's Rolly. I mean, not Rolly. I mean, Natalie. Here's the thing. Made a video. All the receipts is supposed to be in this video. Okay? You have to get Rolly to 10,000 subscribers so she could drop these receipts. I already subscribed, like yesterday. So if y'all could go and just subscribe real quick so we could get these receipts, because if Rolly is talking about Natalie in these messages, some stuff is about to happen. If Rolly is talking shit about Natalie in these messages, this is going to be a very eventful week or weekend. Now say Rolly is talking about Natalie, right? And Natalie don't want her on baddies no more. Rolly fine because she already secured her show with Zeus. They finished filming a couple days ago. How do y'all think that show gonna do, right? I feel like it's so, I'm guessing like the first couple episodes is supposed to be her surgeries, and then it's supposed to end with the BBW twerk contest or something. Is that what it's supposed to be? But anywho, this is not a long video, but I posted another one. Y'all should go see that. It was Big Lou arguing with Adonis' sister. It got real ghetto if you ask me, because another lady on the live, she knew who the sister baby daddy was and all this other shit. Go watch it. That shit was hilarious. All right. See y'all later, chicken heads.
So I'm technically ready for work.
10 pounds.
So I'm definitely ready for work. This is the break room. This is the break room. I know this is so weird. I'm basically in the break room, y'all. I'm bored as heck. Yeah. I will take y'all upstairs, but I'll be back again. And I don't know how many videos I'm gonna make. I gotta put the videos together. So I'll be back with you guys and like literally clock in so I can go upstairs and get some ice cream and get my pop. Because I'm actually drinking pop right now, but I'll be back. Don't mind me. I don't think I'm doing this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing some pop. I'm really back. After I'm done doing I'm just get my thumbnails in before I saw that in this part. Oops. So I'm in part. Yeah, back probably start putting stuff away or putting stuff on top of the cart. Stay there for like 4 minutes. So hard up my face. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Okay. So, oh, everybody does it. Start cleaning. I'm done. I'm done. I'm like, so. It's so boring. Well, that's it, Reagan, and we're out. This is the outfit I always wear at work, but with the chair, and yeah, I'm back 1 minute. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I know y'all like watching this video, because y'all know when I edit this, well, yeah, hold on, y'all.
I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it.